Hello students, in the first video as I told you that there are four forms of list. In the first theoretical video while starting this chapter list and images in HTML, that was the first video. In that video I told you that there are four forms of list. First one is the unordered list, second order list, third one is the definition list, and last one is the nested list. So now going with the third form of list, that one is the definition list. Definition list means, here I can show you that, like we are writing here definition of computer. Okay, I have written definition of here I have written a title called as computer. I have written here my term called as computer, and here I am writing the definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device. Okay, is an electronic device. Okay, so now this becomes a definition. You know that these type of things are called as a definition. This one is called as a definition term, and this one is called as a definition of that term. Okay, so in this way, same thing we have to define, but where we have to define this thing? In an HTML on a browser. So how we can define that? So we can define that thing by using a definition list, and as we have used a OL tag for order list and UL tag for unordered list, in the same way we are going to use DL tag for the definition list. We are going to use a DL tag for a definition list. But before that, let's what we have to use for starting our HTML program. We have to use the HTML tag, and if we want to give title to our browser, what we have to do? We have to define a head tag. And inside head tags, what is there? There is a title tag. So here, for this program, what can be a title? Here a title can be a definition list. What can be a title? Here the title can be a definition list. So I have given a title. Now I have to close the title tag. So here I am closing my title tag. Okay, after this I have to close my head tag. Now starting with our code. So our code starts inside the body tag. As you remember, in first practical video I told you, or in theoretical video I told you, that whatever we want to display on the browser screen, that white screen, whatever we want to display on that screen is given inside the body tag. Okay, is given inside the body tag. So here, for definition list, as I told you, which tag we are going to use? We are going to use DL tag. And as I told you, for defining a list items, which tag we have used in UL and OL? We have used LI tag. For defining list items, which tag we have used in unordered list and ordered list? We have used LI tag. But here we don't have to use LI tag, because here two things are there. First one is the definition term that I showed you in a computer. Okay, that is called as a definition term. And second one is the definition description. Okay, so for that purpose, what we have to do? We are using a DT tag for definition term. Which tag we are using? We are using a DT tag for a definition term. Okay, so here I used my DT tag. In this DT tag, what I am going to do? I am going to write the definition. In DT tag, I am going to give a term called as HTML. Here I have to close my DT tag. Is necessary. I have to close my definition term, and after this definition term, what I have to give here? I have to use my definition description tag. That one is the DD tag. Okay, and here I am giving a description like HTML is a standard programming language. Okay, here I have given my definition term. Now I have to close my this definition. Here I have to close my definition description with a forward slash in between. I have closed it. After this, suppose I want to use again one definition term. I want to use again one definition term. Like here I am going to give definition term as HTML tags. HTML tags. Okay. So here I am giving my definition term as HTML tags. Okay, I have given my definition term. Now here with dt I have closed my definition term, and here I am going to give description for this HTML tag for this term. Okay, inside a dd tag means a definition description tag. Okay, it can be as HTML tags are elements surrounded by rounded brackets. HTML tags are elements surrounded by angle brackets. Okay, and now I have to close my definition description tag with the forward slash. So I have closed it. Now here my definition, I have given two definition terms. I have given description for those terms inside dd tag. Now it's time to close our definition list tag. So I am closing my definition list tag, and at last I have to close my body tag and with the forward slash and the HTML tag. Okay, now it's closed. Now I have to save the program. Just go on a file, click on a save, and select desktop. In desktop select the folder called as HTML, and here which program we have done? We have done the program of definition list. So give the similar name, that is a definition list, and use the extension called as .html and click on save. Okay, after clicking on save, what you have to do? You have to go on a desktop. You have to minimize the file, go on a desktop. Okay, on a desktop, go in HTML folder, see where is your program. This one is your program. Click over it, right click and say open with, and click on Google Chrome. Okay, so now here you can see that this one is the definition term and this one is the definition description. In the same way, this one is the definition term, that is HTML tag, and this one is the definition description. So I hope here you have understood the program of definition list. Okay, this was the third form of our list. Okay, now one form is remaining, that we will see in next video.